Company with more than 40 years of experience, diverse portfolio, and good clientele. Prakash Pipes Ltd, a PVC pipes manufacturer. Company has over 40 years of experience and produces PVC products and flexible packaging, which are used in diverse industry segments, and to penetrate new industries, launch of new product line is in pipeline. About 61% of the revenue is generated from PVC products and 39% from flexible packaging. The company was incorporated in 2017 and got public in 2019. They are based in New Delhi with more than 700 employees. Company has 2 manufacturing plants located in Uttarakhand, encompassing an area of 60 acres and a production capacity of 60,000 metric tons per annum for PVC products and 19,200 metric tons per annum for flexible packaging, which is expected to increase to 36,000 metric tons per annum by fiscal year 2026. The market cap of the company is 1,136 crore rupees and currently trading at 475 rupees per share. The company has a 12% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 36% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. Promoters' holding has slightly increased in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign investments in the company. Public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign investors are buying from the public. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 1 rupee and 80 paise per share was paid in fiscal year 2024. Some clients of the company are Patanjali, Dabur, Haldiram, Wadilal, Bikaji, Yellow Diamond, Pran Foods, Cracks, Bambino, and more. About 54% of the revenue is generated from Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, 28% from Delhi, and 18% from other states. Company has presence in 6 states, with a strong network of more than 600 distributors. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.